We have to place the figure in coordinate plane in convenient way and assign the coordinates to each vertex. In this example, we have square, side, length is a. So let's draw xy plane, y-axis and x-axis. Because it is easy to find the length of horizontal and vertical segments and distances from 0, 0, so we will place one vertex at the origin. So this point has coordinates 0, 0. And now we have given that the side length of this square is a. So let's put that here. We have a. The distance from the origin is a. And we know that the square, we have here a square, so the second side has the same length. Approximately here we have a. So this point has coordinates. First coordinate is 0 and the second is a. That point has coordinates a, and the second coordinate on x-axis is always 0. And we know that this side must be parallel to that side. So the first coordinate must be the same like this point, so we have a, and that side is parallel to this side. So the second coordinate must be the same like for this point, so will be a 2. We found every vertex. This is the side of our square a. So this is my solution.